Hello everyone. This is 21505 Northwest Kian Lane in Beaverton, 1,502 square feet. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home for $1,749. This is the front of the home right here. We're gonna go around the back to get in the back area. 2-car garage in the front. Nice little yard area on the side of the property. And then you have this back driveway area to park in as well, with this overhang deck area off the back porch. It does have a Rently box, so you can definitely go through Rently.com. The Rently box is down there. Rently.com to fill out your information and view this home at your leisure between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. You can give us a call or go on our website, rentportlandhomes.com, as well to schedule a viewing if you like. Here is the dining room with the kitchen. And it goes straight into the living room area with this beautiful fireplace. The living room has amazing high ceilings with a ceiling fan. And up there you can see the overlooking deck. Off the kitchen is the garage. So you do have the 2-car garage right here. And of course that's off the front side that we did not enter. Off to the right of the garage is the 0.5 bath. A nice little sink area there. And once again, looking at the kitchen here. Beautiful kitchen area with lots of storage. We'll head upstairs. Just off to the left of the hallway, of course, is your coat closet. Lots of space to store items underneath the stair areas. That is the front door, and then just off the front door is the steps leading up to the second floor where the bedrooms and the full baths are. Lots of light in this property. These windows go floor to ceiling, so that's always nice. That's looking down into the living room area where the fireplace is and the kitchen and dining room. Just off to the right after you get up the stairs is the master bedroom. Does have the bathroom with a double sink. It has a stand-up shower. And of course you have a linen closet just off of the door into the bathroom there. Master bedroom here. Looks out towards the extra parking area. And it does have these triple wide closets right there that has lots of storage and lots of area to put all your items. Across the hall, you do have a nice storage area straight up from the stairs. The second bathroom, which is a tub shower combo. And of course this does have the double sink as well. And the 2 bedrooms. 2 bedrooms, about the same size. They do face, there's the closet right there. And they do face out towards the front driveway and the front door. But it has the nice deep closets in here as well. second bedroom, same as the first, faces out towards the driveway, and it does also have the deep closet, as mentioned before. So again, this is 21505 Northwest Kian Lane, Beaverton 97005. It is a 1,502 square foot home that is available right now. $1,749 is the rent. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Ceiling fan at the ceiling here. Large, high ceilings here. Does have a washer and dryer, which I did not show you. Washer and dryer is right here, right across from the main bathroom there. So rentportlandhomes.com, fill out an application for everyone above the age of 18, and you can be in this property fairly soon. It is available right now. So give us a call, stop by the website, and we'll talk to you then. Have a great weekend.